MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First, remove any conflicting older version of Docker with the next command. Now update your package indexes and install the necessary dependencies with the following command. Add Docker official GPG key with the next command. Set up the repository, add the Docker repository to your apt sources, so your system knows where to look for updates with the following commands. Now install the Docker engine, CLI, and the Docker Compose plugin with the next command. Check if Docker is running correctly by executing the classic Hello World image with the next command. Now you have Docker installed on your server. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.